Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a car dealership with AutoNation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a car dealership with AutoNation, start by conducting thorough market research. Identify your target audience and their needs. Analyze your competition in the area. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan. Outline your dealership's vision, mission, and unique selling points. Include financial projections and funding requirements. Once your plan is set, choose an ideal location for your dealership. Consider factors such as visibility, traffic patterns, and accessibility. After that, secure the necessary licenses and permits to operate. Contact local authorities to ensure compliance with zoning regulations. Next, establish a relationship with AutoNation. Reach out to their corporate office to discuss your interest in becoming a dealer. Review AutoNation's requirements and application process. Prepare any necessary documentation requested by AutoNation. Then, finalize your dealership's branding. Create a memorable name and logo that reflects your dealership's identity. Set up your dealership's website, showcasing your inventory and services. Once branding is established, focus on vendor partnerships. Build relationships with manufacturers and finance companies. Negotiate terms for vehicle supply and financing options for customers. Next, design the layout of your dealership. Plan spaces for the showroom, service area, and customer lounge. Ensure your design enhances the customer experience. Begin hiring staff with experience in the automotive industry. Train employees on customer service, sales processes, and product knowledge. Then, stock your dealership with a diverse inventory of vehicles. Offer both new and certified pre-owned vehicles to attract different buyer segments. After your inventory is in place, implement effective marketing strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.